Procreate versus Clip Studio. Which one's better? Let's find out. Procreate is a powerful digital painting app designed specifically for iPad users. It's ideal for illustrators, animators, and hobbyists who enjoy a streamlined, intuitive interface. Procreate boasts features like extensive brush library, customizable tools, and advanced layering options, which allow artists to create stunning artworks easily. Its strengths lie in its user-friendly design and impressive performance, making it responsive and enjoyable to use. However, Procreate is limited to iOS devices and lacks some advanced features found in desktop applications, which might frustrate users seeking more complex functionalities. On the other hand, Clip Studio Paint is a versatile drawing and painting software available on multiple platforms, including Windows, macOS, and iPad. It caters to comic artists, illustrators, and concept artists looking for comprehensive tools for both 2D and 3D art. Key features include vector layers, 3D model for reference, and a robust animation suite. One of its biggest strengths is the extensive customization options and the ability to create comics and manga easily. On the downside, Clip Studio Paint has a steeper learning curve which can be daunting for newcomers. In summary, Procreate excels in user-friendliness and mobile accessibility, making it ideal for casual artists, while Clip Studio Paint offers advanced features and versatility perfect for professionals and comic creators. Ultimately, your choice should depend on your artistic focus. If you prefer a simple, mobile-friendly app, Procreate is your best bet. But if you need a powerful, feature-rich program for complex projects, Clip Studio Paint might be the way to go. Thanks for